Hey, hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, we are going to talk about the features of the low latency process mode. So this mode is ideally suited for the web server based process, that is the real-time integration process or the event-based processes. So this mode is used to improve the performance of the short-lived process where the execution time is usually less than 30 seconds. This mode especially increases the speed of the process by not logging the each and every state of the process. That is, the low latency process mode doesn't track as much as of information as the general process mode did. So in this mode, we will not be able to capture the process logs or the process state. So a couple of things to note when using low latency is, so we can improve the performance and speed by, enabling this allow simultaneous executions. So when you select the low latency, by default, this option would be checked. So because of this option, like you will be able to execute the multiple instances of the same process at the same time, on a given runtime. And if you scroll a bit down, so this option, only generate process log on error, is also checked by default when we use the low latency mode. So what does this option basically mean is, when you have an error in your process, only in that scenario, the process log will be captured. So if the process is a success, it will not be captured. So the successful low latency based executions will not appear in the process reporting. So here I have a sample process, which is, deployed with a low latency. And from Postman, I am trying to execute it. So currently it is returning a 500 error. So as I mentioned earlier, we will be able to only capture the failure executions in the process reporting. So as you see, get current time, this is my listener process. And so we are able to see the error execution. So we will be able to capture the process logs as well for the errored executions. But note that we will not be able to rerun the documents for the low latency mode process, as the document data is not captured. So we'll not be able to rerun the documents. So coming to the successful executions for the low latency based process, we can view that information in the real-time dashboard. So let me quickly show you. So get current time, this is my process. Let me go to the real dashboard. So let me just filter the environment here. So it is test environment. And so as you see, it came up. So this is my get current time listener process. So let me just filter out the time range. So here we can see the number of executions which are completed successfully and which are errored out. So I've executed this listener process a while ago, and we had 2 successful executions and 2 errored executions. So this is where you can view the information of your low latency based process. So I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.